chocolate cupcakes. So first, you're gonna have to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Make sure that you have parental supervision. And first, we're gonna be adding the dry ingredients, which first you're gonna need 1 1/3 cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So first, we're gonna add the flour. Next, we're gonna be adding the cocoa powder. Then we're gonna be adding the sugar. Then the baking powder. Make sure that it's 1 teaspoon. Two teaspoons. Then you whisk them together. And then we set it aside. So now we are gonna be putting the wet ingredients. First, you're gonna put 2 eggs on room temperature. You put the first egg in, and then you put the second egg in. Next, you put in half a cup of oil. And then you're gonna put the vanilla extract, and you're gonna need 2 teaspoons. And we're gonna set that aside. So then you turn it on to medium. And now we are gonna be adding the dry ingredients while it's beating the wet ingredients. Make sure that you have a parent with you. And then we let it keep moving. And now you're gonna add the hot water. Make sure that a parent is with you. My mom is putting the hot water since it's boiling. So then it's gonna keep going like this until we see it's smooth. Okay, so now since the batter is ready, I'll be putting some inside these cupcake molds. You can either use an ice cream scoop or a spoon or directly from the bowl. I'll use an ice cream scoop since it's easier for me. cupcake mix. And it's also easier. It also helps us find the right amount for each cupcake holder, so there won't be too much of something inside one. Now it's ready and we're gonna be putting it in the oven. Make sure you have parental supervision. My mom is next to me right here, while me, I'm putting it inside. So you put it in slowly. Make sure to be careful while putting it in. Then close in the oven. Make sure to keep it in for 25 minutes. Make sure it's in 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, put the toothpick in and check if it's ready. Check if it's ready. If it's clean, it means it's ready. If it's not clean, it means it needs a few more minutes. So now, while we're waiting for the cupcakes to bake, I decided to put a chocolate topping. So first you're gonna put boiling water and put a glass bowl inside the pot or pan that you are using and put chocolate. I used 100 grams of chocolate, and I'm letting it melt by the steam of the boiling water. So the cupcake is finished baking, and now as you can see, put this here, it comes out clean. So now we're gonna go and put the chocolate topping on. So now I have melted the chocolate, and I'll be adding it onto the cupcakes. So I'll take a spoon, one small spoon, and put it on it and just spread it around with the back of the spoon. And I'll choose a topping of my choice. For example, I choose the sprinkles. So I'll be putting sprinkles. Put it back. And then I'll do it another for another cupcake. And now I choose to add these edible pearls to add some color to the chocolate cupcake. And then I'm taking this one and adding chocolate chips to it. You could use any toppings you want to add onto your cupcake. I choose these three since I love them on cakes and other sweets. You can put all of them as a mix.